Good morning, everybody. I am back to show you guys coupons to print. They actually added more coupons to print, so definitely print these off. Today is July 31st, so you guys want to print, if you have any, any mind that you want to print coupons, definitely do it. I see a lot of these reset tomorrow, so I will be doing another coupons.com video. So you guys definitely want, if you guys are thinking of getting some products, or you guys usually print certain coupons, print them out because they're going to pretty much reset. I know a few of them will reset, but they did add more coupons. Now I do print my coupons off Swagbucks because I get points for every coupon that I print, so I just do that. But they did add $1 off of 2 Kellogg's flavored fruit snacks. That's a great coupon. They added this one. Now these were in my inserts the other day, so I'm still printing them off because I think $2 off of 4 Pop-Tarts is a very good deal. So that is a new coupon to print. We got $1 off of 2 Nutri-Grain. We have $2 off of 4 Kellogg's. We have $1.25 off of Keebler Townhouse crackers. So those were new. I didn't get any far to see if they added any other ones, but I wanted to definitely share with those coupons that you guys want to print. And just print whatever you guys think you need, because these pretty much about 50% of the coupons will reset. I know the Renews-Its will probably not be available tomorrow, so I'm just going to print that off just so I have it. But I'm just want to give you guys a heads up to print, last day to print coupons. Now here we got $1 off a Shout. There could be some decent deals with that. $1 off Motrin. Let's see what other good stuff they added. But mostly those Kellogg's are the ones that they did. And if you guys buy special Kellogg's products, they actually have it where you guys can get a book for free. I've already gotten 3 books already, and they shipped them pretty fast. I haven't gotten them yet, but they shipped them. So I just want to give you guys a heads up if you guys want free books. But I'm going to print off this CoverGirl because why not? 25-cent Puffs tissues. There is a deal going on right now with Walgreens, so I want to clip that because I don't have enough P&Gs. Survey, Cetaphil, I'm going to print those off. Tidy Cats, I'm just going to print this stuff off because I don't know what's going to be available tomorrow. But you got your Blink, and then these are all the ones that I've printed already. So definitely print more coupons because you guys do not know what's going to be available tomorrow. So I just want to give you guys a heads up, and I'll see you guys later today. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.